Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you so much for liking my channel and subscribing it. I would really like you to share it with other people and try my recipes. I know so many people have tried it and they have loved it. And today what I'm presenting specifically because of Bakra Eid is Keema, Bihari Qeema. It takes only 20 to 30 minutes and you are done with cooking and you have a very tasty dish to eat. So let's start. First of all, we are going to need half a kilo minced meat, 2 onions finely diced, 150 gram yogurt, 1 green chilli, 2 to 3 tablespoons olive oil, half onion finely diced, some mint finely diced, 2 black cardamoms, 5 green cardamoms, 4 cloves and some whole black pepper, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon Bihari Masala, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon lemon juice and salt to taste. These are our main ingredients. Let's make the paste of yogurt. For that, we will mix ginger garlic paste, lemon juice, Bihari Masala, Cumin seeds and yogurt. We will mix it well and leave it aside. In a wok, put olive oil, black cardamoms, green cardamoms, cloves and black pepper. Now add onions inside and start stirring. Add salt inside. When onions are golden brown, you have to add minced meat. When minced meat changes its color and leaves oil, we have to add the mixture which we made earlier. We have to stir it. Yogurt will give it a very moist taste and it's one of the key ingredients inside. Now we will cover it and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we will start adding the rest ingredients. Green chili. You can add more green chilies if you like spicy food. And then we will add the onions, finely diced onions. We don't have to cook this for a long time, just saute them inside. For a refreshing taste, add mint inside. Our dish is now ready. You can plate it and decorate it the way I have done it, or in any other way you like. You can serve it with bread, with rice, whatever you like, or with fresh naan. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Enjoy!